Disappointing jobs report for the month of July. The U.S. economy added 162,000 jobs during the month. That makes July, though, the slowest month for hiring since March. And yet, the unemployment rate fell to 7.4% last month. That's the lowest since December 2008. If you're wondering how we can be losing jobs and lowering the unemployment rate at the same time, it's because fewer Americans are actually looking for work.
But what if you're trying to get back into the workforce or you feel like it's time for a job change? Jobs consultant Mike Stafford joins us to give us a little bit of insight into this. So, Mike, what should people be looking for?
Well, first of all, CEG Partners is a recruiting and consulting company, so we have experience on both sides of the hiring desk. So I think we had 3 points. First one is recruiters don't cost you a dime to use as a employee or as a job seeker. So, and people are still confused about that. So, you know, they get paid by the employer. The second point that we wanted to make was that you know, a recruiter will give you direct and honest, unbiased feedback, and sometimes you need that as you're trying to go through the job search, sometimes on your own, and your friends may not tell you, you know, what you should be doing differently, right?
Absolutely.
So the third thing that you want to keep in mind is that a recruiter is going to have a lot of critical insights to the company that you're trying to get in with, right? And they'll know, you know, the hiring managers, a lot of times they're working with them, and they'll know, you know, what the questions may be even asked on an interview. So there's a lot of insight. They'll know about the company culture, which, you know, you don't just want a job, you want a career. So they'll be able to get you fit with the right type of company as well, to fit you.
Where should people look to find the right recruiter for them? I imagine you have to match up with somebody good for you.
You do, and you know, they need to be experts in that industry. You know, we're more technical and executive type recruiting, so if you were in HR, it may not be, you know, the right fit for you, but, you know, definitely they need to be experienced in that industry.
And what's today's hot job?
So our friends at Walmart have a lot of open positions right now I've seen out there, and we've got one example I think we're showing you, and you know, it's a great job for even a recent college grad with a little bit of experience. So it's a great
good
job.
Entry-level job.
Absolutely, and great pay.
All right, yeah. Thanks, Mike. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Aaron.